Right, welcome back. We're going to start off with a few sticker swaps and then we'll move on to this week's build. Right, so first one is makes and takes. I'll leave a link in the description below to his YouTube channel. We'll stick that straight on. Right, the second one, let's have a look. So this is from Multitool products. Now, I don't think they've got a YouTube channel, but they've got a Facebook page and a website where you can go on and buy tools. You can see that. Sanding belts and stuff, and buffing wheels, polishing wheels and things like that. So head over, I'll leave a link in the description below to their website, and hopefully you find something on there that you could do with. I mean, I know I could. I mean, I love one of these, but I think I'd get in trouble with the missus if I bought one. So we'll stick that straight on the board as well. Stick this straight on as well. Right, so this week's build, I'm going to do this really quickly because I think my battery's about to go. So a friend of mine has just got into whittling, carving, little minifigures and things like that, so I thought I'd make a knife as a little gift, just to inspire and carry it on. So got this old saw blade, and what I've already done, I wasn't planning to make a video of this, but I think I'm going to now. So I've already cut the blade out of there, as you can see I've already started it. So this is going to go into a handle of some description. I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to use HDPE or wood. I've got loads of different types of wood that I think would look nice on it. I have got some real nice mosaic pins as well that I'm going to use. If you can see that, a little tiny one. I've got some more over there. I'll have a little dig around. And depending how the knife talks to me as I'm making it, I don't know. I might inlay some mother of pearl as well, just to funk it up a little bit. But yeah, that's the start of it. And it is quite easy to make. I mean, the steel is super strong anyway. I mean, it's an old saw blade. I think that was the blade that I used to make my my spoon knife. I think it was. So I know that it holds a nice edge. Right then, let's crack on.
While the cold darkness surrounds, in the calm, well, it stands at her feet. Lady Liberty is playing with the pretty razor in her hand.
I am convinced I've got a little bit of a problem with the borrowers. You know what the borrowers are? These guys. I found a letter. Do you remember a while back? Guil The Bearded woodworker sent me his sticker, and it just never came for ages and ages. And it turned up behind the stepladder on the second landing upstairs in our house. How it got there, I don't know. Anyway, I've moved the computer about, ready for all the Christmas decorations and stuff like that. And I found a letter from August 2018. So I really do apologise to Tim from Timberworks.com. It's been sitting there all that time, and I bet you're wondering, where's my shout out? Anyway, this is it. So I'm sorry, Tim. So I've already put it on the board right there. I've just recorded this. I'm having to do it again because I went in, loaded it onto the computer, and then you could see everything behind me, but my face was just really dark, so I put these lights on. Anyway, enough going on. Right, I am nearly, not far away from finishing the knife. Stay there. So what you've just seen is polishing the blade. It's not really that sharp yet. I'll do that at the very end because, knowing me, I'll cut myself. I've put the scales on. Just got to do a lot of shaping on this. And what I forgot to do was I was going to put some mosaic pins in here. Yeah, completely forgot. So what I'll do is I'll drill it, epoxy them in, and then I'll shape it. That's about all I can do really. And then once it's shaped and sharpened, it'll be finished. Right, let's crack on.
Well, it stands at her feet. Lady Liberty is playing with a pretty razor in her hand.
Right, so there you go. I really do like these mosaic pins. They remind me of the pattern in this one. Oh, reminds me of the Tudor rose. Don't know if you can see it. I did make a few mistakes, like completely forgetting to put the mosaic pins in when I should have. So they're in. They're through the actual blade and they're glued through as well. So they do what they're supposed to do, which is secure the blade to the handle, really. And I've also got a couple of scratches that I'm not happy with. I might just polish them out, try and polish them out some more. This is actually a gift to someone, so I want it to look nice. And I've sharpened it. Find a bit of wood. It's sharp. Although, for what this is made for, which is whittling, wood carving, it needs to be really sharp. But as long as it does a stop cut, which, yeah, it does. That works. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a little bit more of a sharpen. I'm going to try and possibly get that scratch out. You can't see it on camera. I don't think you can. Anyway, I've enjoyed doing this. I haven't done a knife for a while. I'm just hoping it fits the hand of its new owner well. I've got quite big hands. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, my next video, I'm going to have a little play with the new scroll saw. I bought one of those little scroll saws, and it turns out they're actual shapak or something like that, and it's really good. I've had a little play with it. Made a couple of danglies. That's yeah, and there's another one there. These aren't my own design. You can go onto YouTube and you can find loads of people doing this with scroll saws. So this is nothing special. I just downloaded the plans off the internet and had a bash. And they seem to be easy enough. Yeah, so this is the next project. I'm just going to cut this out, put something behind it, I don't know, just basically to practice with a scroll saw, keeping within the lines. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.